Cosmic Brief, your guide to the universe.
Look up at the sky and imagine seeing not one sun, but two. Two stars rising, two shadows forming behind every object, double sunrise, double sunset. This is not just science fiction. Binary star systems are common in our galaxy. Many planets orbit two suns. But what if Earth did? The first change would be light. With two solar sources, daytime brightness would increase dramatically depending on orbital geometry. The sky would rarely experience true darkness during certain seasons. Twilight would stretch longer, nights could become shorter, or vanish entirely during dual alignment periods. Temperature patterns would shift immediately. Earth's climate is built around a single steady solar input. Add a second star, and the energy balance changes. Even a smaller companion sun could raise global average temperatures. Ice caps would retreat faster, evaporation rates would increase, atmospheric moisture content would rise, weather systems would intensify. More heat means stronger convection. Stronger convection means more powerful storm systems. Hurricanes could grow larger. Thunderstorm frequency could increase. Global circulation cells would reorganize around higher thermal input. But the real complexity is orbital mechanics. For Earth to survive with two suns, the orbital configuration must be stable. There are only a few stable patterns. Either both stars orbit each other closely and Earth orbits far away around both, or one sun dominates while the second remains distant. If distances fluctuate too much, climate becomes chaotic. Seasons would become unpredictable. With two moving light sources, seasonal cycles are no longer controlled by axial tilt alone. Dual solar angles create overlapping heating cycles. Some years would be hotter, others cooler. Agricultural predictability would suffer. Shadows would change. Every object would cast two shadows with different angles and sharpness depending on star distance and brightness. Human vision and architecture would adapt. Sundials would need redesign. Solar panel systems would become more productive, but more complex to optimize. Biological rhythms would evolve differently. Life on Earth is synchronized to a single-day nightlight curve. With two suns, circadian biology shifts. Plant photoperiod responses change. Animal behavior patterns adapt. Sleep cycles across species would likely differ from current norms. Solar radiation exposure would also matter. Two stars mean potentially higher ultraviolet and particle radiation depending on stellar type. That increases mutation pressure and atmospheric chemistry effects. Ozone dynamics would be different. Energy production would transform. Solar power output could double or more during dual exposure windows. Renewable energy capacity would surge. Grid storage would still matter because dual sunset periods could still occur depending on orbital phase. Culturally, the sky would redefine mythology, navigation, and timekeeping. Calendars would track dual solar motion. Religions and symbols would form around twin stars. Navigation methods would encode double shadow geometry. Language itself would reflect a two-sun reality. The key scientific truth is this: a two-sun Earth is possible only under narrow orbital stability conditions. But if those conditions are met, the planet would not just be warmer, it would be fundamentally different in climate, biology, timekeeping, and culture. One sun built the world you know. Two suns would build another.